Question 1. Which of the following sentences are true about filtration sterilization? Option D, A and B. Remove the microorganism and use for clarification and sterilization of liquid and gas, but does not destroy the microorganism. Question 2. Which species is used in dry heat sterilization for indicator? Answer, Clostridium species. Question 3. A chemical which apply on skin and mucous membrane is called option B, antiseptic. Question 4. Which of the following properties uh, which should have disinfectant? Option D, all. Active at any pH, long shelf life and destroy microbes within practical period of time. Question 5. Disinfectants are classified based on option D, all. Consistency, that means liquid and gas. Spectrum of activity, that means high level of disinfectant, low level of disinfectant and intermediate level of disinfectant. And mechanism of action means denaturation, denaturation of cellular protein and damage or to nucleic acid. Question 6. Example of alcohol which used as a disinfectant. Answer, ethyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol and methyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol is used to disinfect the surface and methyl alcohol is used to kill fungi and to kill fungal spore. Question 7. What is mode of action of alcohol? Option B, coagulation of protein. Question 8. Dash percentage ethyl alcohol is used as a antiseptic on skin. Answer, 70%. Question 9. Which of the following properties are true about aldehyde as a disinfectant? Option D, all. Kill all microorganisms including spore. Formaldehyde and glutaraldehyde are example, and damage nucleic acid are the properties of aldehyde as a disinfectant. Question 10. Formalin used for option D, both A and B. Fumigation and surface disinfectant. Question 11. How fumigation is achieved? Answer, by treating formalin with potassium permanganate. Question 12. Fumigation used for option D, A and B. To sterilize furniture and books and sterilize biological safety cabinets. Question 30. Glutaraldehyde is used for sterilization of option D, all. Centrifuge, anesthetic equipment and cytoscope. Question 40. Which of the following properties are true about phenol as a disinfectant? Option D, all. Inactive against spore, coal tar derivatives, and they are bactericide, fungicidal and microbactericidal. Question 15. Example of phenol: lysol, chlorooxynol and hexachlorophene and chlorhexidine. Question 16. Chlorhexidine is used for option A, skin disinfection. Question 17. Which chemical disinfectant are effective against gram-positive bacteria? Option C, both A and B, hexachlorophene and triclosan. Question 80. Which of the following properties are true about halogen? Is a option D, all. Is a oxidizing agent, inactivated in the presence of organic matter and cause damage by oxidation of sulfide group of enzyme. Question 19. Which of the following heavy metals are used as a disinfectant? Option D, all. Mercury chloride, copper sulfate and silver nitride are the heavy metal which used as a disinfectant. Question 20. Which metal is used as a fungicide? Answer, copper salt. Question 21. Dash is used for infection of burn tissue. Answer: silver sulfur diazine is used as an infection of burn tissue. Question 22. Which of the following sentences are true about surface active agent? Option D, all. Surface active agents are soap and detergents, active against vegetative cell and envelope virus, distribute membrane of cell. Question 23. What is the role of dye as a disinfectant? Option D, all. Antiseptic to treat mild burn, treat bacterial skin infection and have antimicrobial properties. 24. Which dye is used for the growth of Mycobacterium tuberculosis? Option A, Melachite green. 25. Beta-propionilactam is used for option D, all. Sterilized vaccine, tissue graft and sterilized surgical instrument. 26. Which of the following properties are true about hydrogen peroxide? Option D, all. Decompose in light, produce hydrogen-free radicals that damage DNA and protein, and strong solution as sporoside. And sporoside means is an agent which destroys the bacteria and fungal spore.